So here's pixiv app. Let's do a quick overview. So this app has over 40 million users already, and this is basically the app for anime lovers, which has illustrations, manga, and novels, everything in one app. You can just search for illustrations, which are submitted every day. There is a huge collection of manga, of novels, 50 million plus illustrations. This is the official iOS app of the illustration service pixiv. And yeah, you can discover new artwork wherever you are. At pixiv, where it's fun drawing, we aim to be the premier community for sharing and discovering new artwork. From anime and manga to fine art, our broad community of users shares a wide variety of artwork. Then there is also pixiv Premium, which you can try out. Pixiv Premium is a service which gives you access to the search, hiding ads, browsing history, muting, and all of that. So let's just take a glimpse in the app how it looks like. So basically it looks like a website. So here is the home image. You can see a lot of different manga and illustration manga novels. Yeah, a lot of them are not in English. So yeah, that's that. So it's not in English. So if you don't understand the language, there you have also there is like an explore discovery feed. There is a new tab where you can see all of that. There are notifications. There is my page, your profile, your history, and then you can also submit work like either illustration, manga, or novel. So you can just go to your photos and try to submit from there. So you can then manage your works. There is your collection, there is browsing history, bookmarks. You can purchase points. So these are the prices which you can purchase them for. Then there is your profile. So yeah, that's basically it. You can always become a pixiv Premium member here by tapping here. Register for pixiv Premium, search by popularity, hide ads, browsing history, mute function. $45.99 per year. Or 1 month's plan $4.99. So that's basically it. And yeah, so that's the idea. So it's basically like a marketplace for illustration and manga, because you can submit your own work can be upvoted, liked, and it can appear higher in search results. So you can kind of become like an influencer on this app. I don't know if you can monetize yourself, but it's for sure interesting concept, and this app is in the kind of is trending in charts in the US App Store. But yeah, just bear in mind a lot of these comics are still not in English, so that's that.